Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link Google Tag Manager to Google Ads. Okay. So first up, let's just go ahead and go to tagmanager.google.com. Now go ahead and open up your container. Okay. For example, this container right here. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go ahead over to tags. Okay. Click on tags. Now in here, click on new. Now tag configuration. Okay. Click on it. Now in here, just click on Google Ads. Okay. Now while we're in here, first up, we will have to make sure that we have a conversion linker. Okay. Click on it. Now you can go ahead and enable these options right here. Just always make sure that you have a trigger. Okay. Click on it. For example, all pages right here, hit on save. Just leave it as conversion linker. If you want to rename it, go ahead and do so. Hit on save. Now go back. In here, go back to tags, new, tag configuration, Google Ads. Then go ahead and select a Google Ad function. For example, Google Ads conversion tracking right here. Click on it. Now it would need a conversion ID. Where do we get it? Also, the conversion label. Okay. All you have to do is just go ahead and open up a new tab. Now open up Google Ads, sign into ads.google.com and sign in with your ads account. Okay. Now in here, just go ahead over to goals like so. Hover your mouse into conversions, click on it. Now click on summary. Wait for it to load. After that, go ahead and select the conversion action that you wanted to track. Okay. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and create a new conversion action right here. For example, this one. I'm going to click on it. Then go ahead and go to the bottom and click on tag setup right here. Click on it. Now just go ahead and select use Google Tag Manager. Okay. Click on it. And here you have your conversion ID and conversion label. Double click, right click and copy, paste that to your Google tag. Go back to ads, conversion label, right click and copy, paste that in here. Okay. And you may optionally add a conversion value right here. Also the transaction ID. You can just go ahead and hover your mouse onto each labels right here. Okay. Then go ahead and read the sets of instructions. Now going back in here, just scroll down. Just do keep in mind that if you leave the conversion value right here to 0 or nothing, okay, Google Tag Manager will send the value as 0. Okay. Now scroll down and just select a trigger right here. For example, all pages. Then I'm going to hit on save right here. Okay. Hit on save and name the tag. I'm just going to leave it as is and hit on save. Wait for it. And once done, you can now go ahead and click on submit and publish. If not, you're good to go. And that is how you link your Google Tag Manager to Google Ads. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.